Welcome to Playworks. Today, we're playing Blizzard. Blizzard can be played anywhere with any number of people. All you need to play is a piece of paper. The goal of the game is to see how many paper snowflakes you and your group can catch before they hit the ground. Before the game begins, rip or cut your paper into a bunch of small rectangles. These are your snowflakes. Have one person toss a single snowflake as high as they can. Work together to catch it before it hits the ground. Then say, just one more. Now add a second snowflake. Play again, throwing both snowflakes up and trying to catch them both before they hit the ground. Each time your group catches all the snowflakes, add in one more. If any of the snowflakes fall all the way to the ground, that's okay. Just try again with the same number until you catch them all. When practicing social distance, have everyone use their own set of snowflakes and race against each other to see who can catch the most snowflakes. How many snowflakes can you catch? Let's play!